guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna be treating the discoloration from your underarm. Now if you have dark underarms, much darker than the rest of your body, no need to worry. This is usually not a medical condition. However, sometimes it's unsightly and most people would like a treatment to lighten it somehow. Today I have such treatment for you. I have a wonderful scrub that's gonna exfoliate the underarm. It's gonna get rid of the dead skin cells. It's gonna clear the pores and it's gonna leave your underarm clean and clear and bright, and with continuous use is gonna get rid of the darkness completely. Now, what causes dark underarms? Now, dark underarms are caused from simple things like shaving, often poor ventilation, and all of that dead skin cells clogging the pores, the sweating, and sometimes even your deodorant. So if you're having dark underarms and you'd like to lighten it somehow, or you basically like to get rid of it, this video is for you, so continue watching. Skin exfoliation and scrubbing is an important step of regular skincare routine. Regular scrubbing helps to get rid of old, dry skin and stimulate new cells and makes your skin smooth. Scrubbing the underarms regularly will help eliminate dark armpits. Here is a quick homemade scrub recipe for you. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some brown sugar, some rice, and this is brown rice, but go ahead and use whatever rice you have. I'm also going to be using some lemon and some peppermint oil. So to put this together, I'm first going to blend the rice. And here is our blended rice. And now we're gonna put this together. So here are the ingredients. We have rice, peppermint oil, brown sugar, and lemon. So to begin, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of rice, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and we're going to mix this together. A 1/8 of a teaspoon of peppermint oil, next, we're going to take our lemon. A medium or large lemon is good. And we're only going to be using a half of the lemon. I'm going to squeeze my lemon in my brown sugar mix. Then we're going to mix this together. And this smells really, really good. And basically, this is our scrub for getting rid of dark underarms. So to use the scrub, you're going to use your lemon. So you're going to dip your lemon in. And this is what you're going to use to scrub your underarms. So here we have our scrub, and this is the rice and sugar with peppermint. You're going to dip your lemon in like this, and you're going to use it to exfoliate the armpit. You're going to exfoliate for about 3 minutes. Just keep exfoliating. Once you're done, you're gonna rinse off. Now you want to exfoliate with this scrub at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Okay, so now I'm gonna rinse this off and I will be back to show you the result. So here's my underarms after exfoliating for 3 minutes, and as you can see how clearer it is looking. Now you want to use this treatment at least 2 to 3 times per week, and you can store the leftover in the refrigerator for at least 7 days. So there you have it. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share the video, and leave your comment. Now, if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe in red. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, there's a little bell at the side. If you click on that, each time I upload a video, you will get a notification right away. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Rice has natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing properties. It is great for exfoliating the skin. It helps to eliminate dead skin cells and cleanses the pores. Rice is also a good anti-inflammatory and skin whitening agent that smooths sunburned skin and makes skin smooth and fairer. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acids, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production. Brown sugar is an excellent skin exfoliator. It helps slush off dead skin cells on the outer layer of the skin. This allows room for new healthy skin cells to regenerate and function properly. It will also deep cleanse your skin, removing grime and germs from within the skin pores. Your skin will absorb peppermint oil into the lymph nodes in your armpit for instant detoxing. Peppermint prevents smelly bacteria from growing, leaving your skin fresh and clean.